Hello students, how are you? This is your EVS book of class 3rd. So children, now your study time. I was given homework chapter 6, page number 37. So students, I hope this one you read. Today I will teach you page number 38. 38. What written here? What is shedding of leaves and when do plants shed their leaves? You know students, when? Here read. Shedding of leaves. When the chlorophyll in the leaves finished, leaf dry up and fall down. When chlorophyll in the leaves finished, leaf dry up and fall down. It is called shedding of leaves. Leaves also dry up when they do not get enough water and sunlight. When they do not get enough water and sunlight, leaves change the color and fall on ground once a year. Some trees shed leaves before winter and some after winter. Some trees shed the leaves before winter and some after winter. Some trees shed a few leaves throughout in years. So look here, dry leaves here. All dry leaves is falling down here. Next, gulmohar tree in summer and gulmohar tree in winter. I want to know about different color of leaves. Yes, there are different color of leaves. Leaves of different color. Leaf color. Different plants have leaves of different color like red, orange, purple and yellow. Some plants like mushroom and fungi do not have chlorophyll. They are not green in color, hence cannot make their own food. Some plants like crotons and colored leaves and are kept indoor of decoration. Some leaves have a peculiar and smell like mint leaves. Next, uses of dry leaves. Yes, we can uses of dry leaves also. How? The fallen leaves should be used to make compost or manure. This is very important things for soil. These leaves should be mixed with soil and water. Compost enrich the nutrient which makes the soil fertile. Fertile. This is very important things of the compost for the soil. Dry leaves for making compost and leave in pot with water and soil. Here mix is what? Water and soil. And this picture compost rich and nutrient. So students, people often burn dried leaves. This is not correct practice because burn of leaves they are causes of the air pollution. Okay students, so this one your homework classwork. Read chapter 6 page number 38. Our homework also. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.